Hello viewers, thanks for tuning in. This video starts at my turnaround point back home, Upper Rouchel, Hunter Valley. I've done a voiceover on this video as I broke a bracket for my helmet camera that I use for voice. This was a reconnaissance ride, but I ran out of time and turned around at the gate. However, my drone footage gave me some answers for a future ride. I head back down Rouchel Road. This mainly follows alongside Rouchel Brook, with a number of crossings along the way. Obviously going through farmland, there's the ever-present wandering livestock on the side of the road. It was an overcast day with some sunny parts occasionally. I think it would be spectacular scenery on a cloud-free day. The temperature was 16 degrees, which made for a pleasant ride. The road is in excellent condition and obviously well maintained. It's hard to imagine in early settlers' days how they would have had the horse and cart come through this area.
Take a nap like Rip Van Winkle, daydreaming again. Oh, play me some mountain music like Grandma and Grandpa used to play. Then I'll float on down the river.
The rolling hills are reminiscent of scenery found in other countries of the world. I guess that's why we have place names reflecting overseas towns, localities and regions here in Australia. There are many homesteads along the road, and even though this area seems remote at times, you get a feeling of a country community that has survived and prospered for over a century.
Just to prove that I'm a man, spend the day being lazy, just be nature's friend. I'm a long tall hickory, bending over
Rouchel Brook meanders its way through the valley, hugging close to the road in sections. It's such a scenic ride, as the water eventually ends up running into the Hunter River, just south of Lake Glenbawn.
Play some back home, come on music that comes from the heart. Play something with lots of feeling, 'cause that's where music has to start. Maybe some mountain music like Grandma and Grandpa used to play. Then I'll float on down the river.
Water crossings are ever present, and with still running road tyres on the V-Strom, extra care is needed on the slimy concrete, especially when the crossing has a little bit more water depth and current flow. I put the drone up again in an area that I think would be fantastic for a roadside family picnic. The isolation and serenity is priceless, and I haven't seen another vehicle for the last 2 hours. Coming back into the locality of Upper Rouchel, I get back onto the tar. Crossing over Rouchel Brook once again on the Junction Bridge. I hope these old classic bridges are able to be maintained for many years to come, as they are an iconic to the appeal of any country area. Even though I've had a long ride, well for me anyway, instead of heading into Aberdeen and taking the New England Highway home, I turn onto Stoney Creek Road and one of my favourite ride sections. I'm not long into it, and old matey looms up behind me on his Ducati Desert X. It doesn't take him long to pass. Different suspension, taller ride height, and wheel tyre combinations certainly give him more confidence than me on the V-Strom. Caution coming over each rise certainly pays off with vehicles coming the other way, a real threat with the narrow road. This section has the views I enjoy every time I come through here. The remoteness, the mountains in the distance, the valleys below, and a great gravel road. Ideal. I decide to put the drone up once more before I make the final distance to home in the lowest part of this valley over Bowmans Creek.
One perfect day, we'll be out walking. Something is calling me. Whoa, this perfect day, I can't stop thinking. Are you over there? Are you happy there? And tell me if it's still raining there in England. And tell me what you did last night. And tell me if it's still raining there in England. I bet you're so hard to come by. If you ever come back, just drop by. One perfect day. One perfect day. One perfect day.
With a little bit of cloud clearing and the low setting winter sun, it made for interesting lighting on the paddocks and trees.
I'll get your telegram and you'll be calling me. Whoa, this perfect day, I can't stop thinking. You over there, are you happy there? And tell me if it's still raining there in England.
Well guys, thanks for watching and sharing my ride. Give it a like, comment or subscribe. I'm not looking for big statistics, I just enjoy the fact that other people can enjoy my experiences. So once again, thanks for watching and I'll catch you next time around. Cheers.
One perfect